So the third step after tokenization and stopwords removal is the step of stemming and lemmatization. Okay. So let me explain what is stemming and lemmatization. So if you have a word, let's say studying, or you have a word, let's say wolves. So studying, we all know, is a present tense, okay, or for the word study, right? So study is the root word. Study is the root word, and studying is a present tense of this particular root word. And wolves uh, is actually a plural word for the root word wolf, right? Wolf is the root word, and wolves is the plural form of the root word. So the process of converting these inflected words back to their root form is known as stemming and lemmatization. Okay, converting these words, these inflected words, back into their root form is known as stemming and lemmatization. So if I'm converting studying back to study, or if I'm converting wolves back to wolf, then that would be known as stemming and lemmatization. But stemming has certain disadvantage, so lemmatization is actually a better option. So let me tell you what is the disadvantage of stemming. The logic of stemming, the way it works is that its simple logic is it will just remove some of the letters from behind or from the back of the words, and it will return you the root word. So there is a high chance that you might not get a proper English word. For example, in case of wolves, it might just simply remove ENS, and it might give you the root word as this. And we all know that this is not a actual English word. This is not the correct root word. Similarly, in case of study, the output might look something like this, STUDI, which again may not be a, sorry, may not, it's not a real English word. Okay. But on the other hand, lemmatization maintains the root form of the word. It maintains the proper English word, and you will get the real output. You will get the actual English output which is better compared to STEM. Okay. So let me show you the practical of this. So here I'm going to perform stemming first. So first of all, you need to create an object of Porter stemmer, and then we will call stemmer.stem, and I'm passing wolves. So you can see the output WOLV, which is not a real English word. Similarly, on the same function, I'm passing studying, and you can see the output STUDI, which again doesn't make any sense. But if I'm going to perform lemmatization, then first thing you need to do is you need to download something called WordNet. But this is again one-time download, so I will not download it again. You guys have to download it once. And you can see I'm importing WordNet Lemmatizer, creating an object of WordNet Lemmatizer, and then calling lemma.lemmatize, and I'm passing wolves. So it is returning the actual English word, which is wolf. Okay. And then calling lemma.lemmatize, passing studying. And you can see that in this case, it is not converting. Okay. It is returning studying as it is. Okay. So, yeah, this is an example of stemming and lemmatization. Now, to be very honest, this is a step which is not compulsory. Like tokenization is a compulsory step. Stopwords removal is again a good step, but stemming and lemmatization can be a personal choice. Like if you want to do, you can do it, or else you can ignore this one. Like stemming, definitely ignore it. Lemmatization is your choice whether you want to do or you don't want to do it. So, but I will show you like if you want to perform lemmatization on the entire document, then how to do it. So for that, once again, you can go for the list comprehension. So for T, So lemma.lemmatize T for T in clean tokens. That means we are iterating over all the clean tokens and we are performing lemmatization on that. Okay. And let's see. So there might be some plural words which got converted into singular. So if I have to check, I have to go back. So if you see this word called cities and this particular word states, these are in plural form. Okay, these are in plural form. Now they should be converted into singular here. Yes, you can see city and state. Now those plural words are now converted into singular words. Okay, great. So this is the step of stemming and lemmatization. We will see more pre-processing steps in the next video.